Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, rear-view camera, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.